Hello, namaskar everyone. Today is Salbhashana. The Salbhashana asana is very useful, especially for the sciatica pain, back pain, and stimulate internal organ. Whatever the it will be reduced, not only reduced, completely cured. And thigh muscles, reduce the thigh muscle, reduce belly fat. These are the benefits. Then you have to do it regularly, and you can get the benefit, imagine benefit, miracle benefit. And this is the yoga series, complete yoga series 3.3. I have started 3 especially based on waist pain, back pain, and in addition, a lot of disease removed from this. And next series I will be started pranayam package after completion of waist pain series. Let's start. At first method how to do. So first come and lie on the mat. This position that is called makrasana pose. And first part 1. Keep hand like this. Then first one leg up, breathe down, breathe up, breathe down. Next, breathe up, breathe down, breathe in, exhale, breathe in and exhale, inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. Next, part 2. Part 2, just like deep breathing, slowly down. Again, breathing and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Part 2. Then part 3. One hand is left and second right hand, and this is the left hand. Now, inhale, exhale. Inhale, halt, 15 to 20 seconds, down. Then up, down. Just like other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. After that, next, keep fist like this. Then inhale, halt 15 to 20 seconds, down, up, down, up and down. This is very useful, Salbhashana, and do it regularly and sit comfortably here. And precautions, who shouldn't do? Those who have the hernia problem shouldn't do, and women in pregnant period won't do, and menstruation. And do it regularly. If you get the benefit, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.